Good morning, everyone. Over the last week, I have received a number of communications from both current and former students regarding the atrocities in America, the bigger picture this paints of ongoing racism in our global society, and requests that we at St Dunstan's both better publicise what we do in this area through our curriculum and co-curriculum, as well as a way in which further reflect and plan for improvements. Frankly, I'm not surprised that the voice of students is amplified in this way. To see the racially provoked murder of a black man in one of the most developed countries on earth is abhorrent and inflames in all of us anger, distrust, and shame. Last week, we quickly decided to swap around some of our weekly themes for this half term, bringing forward the subject of identity, as that seems particularly appropriate to these current circumstances and the demonstrations and voices that have understandably followed. I would encourage all of you this morning to listen to Mr. Holmes's reflection, which begins our week, and then to fully engage with the full range of resources that will be being shared with you through tutor period to help you better engage with the process of reflection and learning that must at the very least be born out of this atrocity. I would also ask that any of you who need further individualised support or are really struggling with this matter, reach out to your tutor who will find that help for you. In addition, I will be making a formal statement later this week to all current and former students, as well as parents, regarding what it is we currently do through the education at St Dunstan's to promote our values and to ensure that our diverse community can be proud of an inclusive culture that is free from hate and discrimination. And I will also be signposting in that statement where I think the school should go next. In the meantime, of course, we find ourselves continuing to spin a great many plates to support you as much as we can in lockdown. Mr. Holmes will be writing to Year 11 and Year 13 shortly to let you know where we have got to in grade calculations and submissions for this year's public exam session. Miss Carnot Golds wrote to lower school at the end of last week, with details of the Festival of Curiosity for the last 2 weeks of this academic year, and it looks to be a really exciting programme. I wish all of you well as you start to plan for those projects that you will be undertaking, as well as you finishing this last couple of weeks of normal teaching, whatever that looks like. I'm aware that's quite a lot of testing going on at the moment through various subjects, and so I do wish all of you who are involved in that very well as well. And of course, the last few weeks of Forda continue, and I'm particularly excited about the virtual concert that the music department have managed to pull together, and I'm really looking forward to listening to that. I'm sure it's going to be a great treat. Year 10 and Year 12, you will be receiving a lot more detail this week about your phased return to college, because of course that begins next week on Monday. And just to remind you that for Year 10, this will be in small groups with a focus on student well-being, pastoral care and academic support where that's needed. For Year 12, it will be all of that, but it will also have a focus on end-of-year exams for those who've opted to do those exams at this point in the year rather than at the end of August as a choice there. And I'm conscious that there will also be some Year 10s taking science exams too. So there's quite a lot of detail coming out to you this week about all of that. So please do look out for it. And of course, what's most important is that everybody feels safe coming back to the college. And so as part of the details we're sharing with you, we will also be sharing with you details of what we have done to adjust our routines, to adjust our buildings, to make sure the site is as safe as it possibly can be, and building on all that we've already done over the course of last week to ensure that the junior school, elements of the junior school have got back into routine so safely. And that will all happen over the course of this week in preparation for next Monday. So finally from me, please remember in such a really uncertain time for all of us, that all of our pastoral channels are open for you. So please use them. We're here to listen and to support you as much as we can. So please use us and have a really very good week.